Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about living room design ideas that will help you create a stylish and comfortable space. Whether you have starting from scratch or just looking to refresh your correct decor, I have got you covered. Let's get started. Create a focal everything room need a point which is usually the main feature of the room that draws your attention. There could be fireplace, a piece of artwork, or even a statement piece of furniture around it to create a cohesive and balanced space. Choose the right furniture. When it comes to living room furniture, it's important to strike a balance between style and comfort. Look for pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, such as a comfortable sofa or a chic coffee table. You can also add a chair or ottomans to provide additional seating. Add texture and color to make your living room feel cozy and inviting, and textures and color with decorative pillows, throat and rugs. You can also incorporating textures with wall hangings such as macrame or woman tapestries. When selecting colors, consider using a neutral base with pops of colors for a cohesive and balanced look. Just like in the bedroom, lighting is an important element in living room design. In addition to overhead living, incorporating tables, lamps and floor lamps to provide task lighting and ambience. You can also add candles on string lights for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Add personal touches. Finally, do not forget to add personal touches that reflect personality and style. There could be anything from family photos to artwork to decorative objects that you have collected over time. These personal touches will take your living room feels like a true reflections of your tables and interesting. And there you have it, my top living room design tips and ideas. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in this comment below which tip was your favorite, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. I hope you find this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in the comment below which tip was your favorite, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more design inspiring. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks once again. So take care. Bye bye.